Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to invite Collaborator on your Instagram post. Now let's get started. First we need to open Instagram. Then at the top we need to tap on Creating and select Post. Now you need to choose the right picture that you would like to share with your subscribers. For example, I will choose this one. After selecting, tap Next at the right top corner. Here you can add some filters and again click on Next. Now we see a lot of options and we need to find Tag People and tap on it. Then we need to tap on Invite Collaborator and type the name of your collaborator. For example, I will type our second account. After this, tap on Done at the top right corner and share. The next step is that your collaborator should accept your invitation. To accept it, you should go home page and visit your activity section. Here you can see that our invitation and we need to click on it. Now we see the post and we should tap on Review. And then select option Accept. That's all. It was how to invite Collaborator on your Instagram post. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we will appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.